Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are doing really good. So first of all, congratulations to all the students, all the aspirants, CA Foundation, CA Intermediate and CA Final who have cleared their exams in May 2025 attempt. Many congratulations to you and your family on the great achievement, and all the best to you guys for your journey ahead. If you are a CA Foundation student, now you have to be more responsible in the CA Intermediate. If you have cleared your CA Intermediate, you have to be even more responsible in the CA Final. And if you have cleared CA Final, now it's time for those two words CA and enjoy this journey. So many congratulations to all of you. And all those who could not clear, don't get disheartened, I would say. It's a part of this journey. Doing CA is not everybody's cup of tea. The first thing is, it's the courage that you have shown to take up this course, to appear for one of the toughest courses. So give yourself a pat for this courage that you have shown, and just promise yourself that we need to be better than this May 25 attempt and make September 25 our last attempt, right? And if you have not been able to clear, watch this video till the end. I have something got very special for you people at the end of this video. I'll tell you something that can change your the course of your preparations and make you much more confident than what you are today. So watch this video till the end. Talking about the results, CA Foundation approximately 15%, CA Intermediate both groups approximately 13%, CA Final both groups approximately 26.5%, right? What is the message that ICAI wants to convey? The message is very loud and clear, that CA Foundation, it's not going to be that easy. The entry level, at the entry level only we are going to filter you, right? Then CA Intermediate, the message is loud and clear. At CA Intermediate, we are going to test your conceptual knowledge. Pick up any paper of CA Intermediate, May 25, costing, FM, everything was a conceptual paper. So if you think that, okay, the concepts are nothing, we'll just practice the questions, do last 10 RTPs, MTPs, we are good to go. No, you have to be conceptually strong. CA Final, okay, CA Final, the institute says demand is good, we'll give you that leverage. 26%, very good results for CA Final. But for CA Intermediate, I was expecting around 15-16%, 13%, little on the lower side. Foundation 15% again, sir. Now it's the course in a new form, right? Now, after the results have been declared, I've been getting a few common queries from some students. Right, I'm going to answer those. First one, sir, I appeared for group 1, could not clear. Please watch this video till the end. Any point can help you, and at the end, as I told you, I'm going to tell you something really important. So I appeared for group 1, could not clear. What should be the strategy? Group 2 is still pending. I'll give you two options. One, prepare for group 1 and one subject of group 2 for exemption. Good strategy, but this strategy is applicable only if you have already started with the group 2 preparations, right? Second strategy, go for group 2, right? Go for group 2 only if you are more than 50% done with the group 2, or 40 to 50% you are done with the group 2. Then go for this, right? Then go for this strategy. If you are approximately 40 to 50% done at this stage, 40% also, if you are done, you can go for group 2. But if you are less prepared for group 2, then go for this strategy. Prepare group 1 again, give it your best shot, and just pick up any one subject of your interest from the group 2 and try hard and go for exemption. And I have a live example today with me. One of my costing face-to-face batch students, he followed this strategy. He prepared group 1 in a very good way and focused more on the costing in group 2. He cleared group 1 with very good marks. I think 161 marks and 77 marks in costing. Now what is there? He's left with just two papers, audit and FMSM. The load that he was carrying is reduced by 75%, sir. 75-80% load gone. Audit and FMSM, just two papers to clear. September 25 done. CA Final, right? So you have to choose it wisely which strategy is going to work for you, depending upon how much is group 2 prepared. Second thing, sir, cleared group 1, group 2 in September or January 26. When should I give? If you have already started with the group 2 preparations, you are halfway through September 25. There is no other option. There is no option for January 26. Please listen to it very carefully. I'm strictly saying go for September 25. Do not skip the attempt. Do not take that leverage that, okay, every 4 months we are getting the paper, so we'll skip the attempt and go for the next one. No, that is a wrong strategy, wrong mindset. If you are yet to start with the group 2 preparation, even then I would say at least in the next 1.5 months, at least try to cover one subject. Go for the exemption in that subject. Do not skip this attempt, right? Or go for January 26. Your choice. This is my preference. Focus on one subject and target exemption. This is what I personally would recommend you. If you would come to me and say, sir, personal guidance, I will say this, right? Rest is your decision, your life, your preparation, your mindset, where you are going to be comfortable. Now, appeared for group 2, could not clear. What should be the strategy now? For one thing you have to keep in mind, you will be going for September 25 only. Do not think about January 26. Do not think that only 1.5 months is left. I can't clear in September 25. I'll go for January 26. No, you have to go for September 25 only. That's my order. I'm not saying option. I'm saying I'm giving you the order that you have to go for September 25 only. Sir, 1.5 months, 45 days, 15 days, 3 subjects, each subject, costing, audit, FMSM. Now, the important thing is how to plan those 15 days. In the 15 days, what you have to focus on is the first thing, conceptual revision. Quickly revise all your concepts. Second, practice the questions from whatever the material you have, ICAI module, RTPs, MTPs, or whatever material you have. Third thing is focus on this area, test series. Go for the test series where you're getting the personalized checking, where you get the remarks, where you get to know that where is the problem, where is the real problem that lies, which needs to be addressed. Right? Fine, sir. Now, how I can help you with this? How I can help you in the preparation of costing and FM? For the first 2 parts, for this part, I have the fast track course or the all-rounder course for costing and FM. Plus, we have launched the test series also this time for costing and FM. Starting from this test series is starting from 20th of July. Chapter wise test series with personalized checking. I will be checking the papers. Nobody else will be there checking the papers. I personally will be checking all the papers, giving the remarks, giving my time, energy, everything to this, because I want you people to clear in September 2025. Sir, what is the important thing that you were talking about? For this fast track course, to avail this, for this fast track course, what I'm giving you is, if you have not been able to clear, if you have attempted group 2 but not able to clear group 2, right? So here I have that you will get 50% discount on the fast track courses. So the effective price will be somewhere around 1200 rupees. This will be the effective price of the fast track course, right? Each costing and FM, 1200 for costing, 1200 for FM. So this is the investment that you can make for the next 1.5 months to make sure that you clear in September 2025. Then you have the test series, right? I think 649 is the price for test series each. But to avail this, sir, if you want to get this, what you have to do is you have to send an email at ksjteaching@gmail.com and attach a copy of your mark sheet. The condition is you should have appeared for group 2 in May 2025 and you could not clear group 2. Only then you will get this, right? So this is what I was talking about, that if you have not been able to clear, I'm there to help you with these things. In the fast track course, you will get the revision videos, you will get the module questions, you will get extra questions for practice, and you will get the query support. That is one of the most important things. So invest wisely for the next 1.5 months, 45 days, 15 days each subject. Plan it today itself. Take the right action at the right time, which is going to be really crucial. I hope I have tried to answer a few queries that were put forward before me in the last few hours after the result. So I've tried to answer those. I hope many of you might have got your answers cleared through this. So see you guys. God bless you all. Don't get disheartened. It's time for it's time to gather yourself and time to go in full shot for September 2025 attempt, right? We are there with you as a family. We'll work together and make sure that September 25 we clear it with very, very, very good marks, right? Something good is coming your way, definitely. God bless you all. See you till then. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying, keep sharing. Thank you so much.